Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanu Wellness. And today we're going to focus on simple stretches to reduce your lower back pain. Now, lower back pain is a common issue that can result from many factors such as poor posture. If you're into prolonged sitting, that will cause muscle strain, muscle spasm, or even stress. So, incorporating regular stretches in your routine will not only help improve your flexibility, but also gradually it will help you to get rid of your lower back pain. In this video, to make it easier, we will be demonstrating 5 simple stretches which are easy to do, which can be done at home. And the best part is I have divided these 5 exercises, these stretches into different positions. So depending upon your back pain, you can decide which one you have to do, or if you're feeling a little better, you can do all the 5 exercises. 1. In sitting position, we'll be doing seated spinal twist. 2 exercises are in supine position, that is face up position. We'll be doing hamstring stretch and we'll be doing a knee to chest stretch. And remaining 2 exercises we'll be doing in prone position, that is face down position, which is cobra position, which is we'll be doing a back stretch and we'll be doing a child pose. Like I already mentioned, these 5 stretches, what we'll be covering in the video, are not only meant for improving your posture, but also improving your overall flexibility, thus reducing your back pain. Each stretch will be explained in details to ensure that you perform them correctly and safely. Also remember, I have modified few of the stretches and I've given some modification steps so that you can do it safely at home. And make sure you watch till the end because there is a bonus tip on incorporating core exercises in your daily routine. So let's dive in. And before you dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. So this way you will not miss out on our latest videos packed with tips for a healthier life. Let's start with the first stretch, which is a seated spinal twist. This stretch is very important when it comes to reducing your lower back pain. You will be sitting in a long sitting position with your knees straight. Gently fold your right knee and then lift the same knee to the opposite side. With the opposite elbow, try to push it and turn your torso to the opposite side until you feel a nice stretch right from your lower back to your glutes. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and then gently relax. Do it on the other side. Lift your left knee, push it with the opposite elbow, turn your torso, hold for 15 to 30 seconds until you feel a stretch and relax. This stretch is extremely important when it comes to improving your flexibility and it also increases your mobility. Coming to the second stretch, which is a hamstring stretch. This particular stretch has to be done in a supine position where the face is up, lying on your back. So comfortably lie on your back, gently start lifting your leg and then try pulling your toe towards you. Now your knee has to be straight ideally. But when you have lower back pain or you have lot of tightness of the hamstring muscle, you will not be able to keep the knee straight. In that case, you can gently move the leg inwards and bend slightly the knee, but make sure you're still pulling the toes towards you and hold for 5 to 10 seconds depending upon your back pain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and drop. Repeat on the other side. Move the leg up, toes pointing towards you. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and gently relax. Remember 2 things. Do not hold your breath. Breathe in normally. And second thing is, if you find this particular stretch very easy, go ahead, use a TheraBand, that is an exercise band, to stretch your hamstring muscle. Hold it like this and turn your toes pointing towards you. Remember, hamstring are the muscles which are present in the back of your thighs. So stretching this muscle is very important when it comes to reducing back pain. Hold for 10 seconds and then relax. Repeat on the other side. We love hearing from you. So share your experience with these stretches or any other stretches you have done for managing lower back pain in the comments given below. Remember, your insights could help others find relief. Don't go anywhere. We have a special tip at the end of this video on incorporating core strengthening exercises to further support your lower back pain. Stay tuned. Now the third stretch is knee to chest stretch, which is also done in a supine position where your face is up. Comfortably lie on your back, fold both the knees and start pulling your knee inwards like you're hugging your knee. Hold it closer. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Here we are holding for longer. The previous hamstring was 5 to 10. Here is 10 to 15 seconds until you feel a nice stretch from the glutes till your lower back. Hold and relax. Do it on the other side. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe in normally and relax. Now, depending upon your back pain, the third part, which I said, you can do it this way. 1, 2, and then lift your head up until you feel a nice stretch in the entire spinal area. Hold for 5 seconds and head down. Release one by one. The third step you can do only if you have less back pain or you have no back pain. If you have even slight back pain, stick to one leg at a time. This helps in improving your flexibility and it helps in reducing your back pain. Now coming to the fourth stretch, which is a cobra stretch, also a back stretch. This has to be done in a prone position where your face is down. Lie down in face down position, hands by your side. Start looking straight. First your head is down, then start looking up gently, moving your head first. Go up, stretch. Then the stretch you should be feeling at the upper back and then your lower back. Stay there for 5 to 10 seconds. Hold and then first your neck goes down, then your upper back and then lower back. Relax. Do it again. Go up, gently go up. Stay there for 5 to 10 seconds until you feel a nice stretch at the lower back and relax. This is the ideal way of doing it. If you have a lot of back pain, then you can keep your forehead rested on your hands. Keep it over here and then gently just release till here. Up, stretch and down. Up and down. Make sure you feel a stretch at your back. This exercise is an excellent stretch because it helps in not only relieving the tension in your back but also improves the flexibility of your spine. Now coming to the last stretch, which is the fifth stretch, which is a child pose. This particular stretch can be done in a prone position, which is face down position. You can start this way and then gently start pushing your spine backwards. Start sitting on your heels. At the same time, start walking your fingers up and forehead towards the floor, or if you're doing on the bed, forehead on the bed. Stretch until a nice stretch is felt in the spine, the entire spine. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Gently roll back and get back to the starting position. This is one way of doing it. If you're very comfortable, then start with sitting on your knees, heels completely. Stretch your fingers first. Go closer and forehead down. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and roll it back and release. Now when you have a lot of back pain, you will not be able to sit completely on your heels. So make sure you take a towel, roll a towel or place a pillow in between your heels and your hip and then try to stretch and come back. This is again an excellent stretch when you want to do it when you have a lot of back pain and lot of muscular tension in the spine. Second thing, if you go to if you're going to gym or you're doing a particular sport, then it's an excellent stretch to do it towards the end. As promised, here's a special bonus tip. Incorporating core strengthening exercises into our daily routine can provide stability and support to your spine. So do include exercises such as abdominal exercises, oblique stretches, lower back strengthening exercises. These are all stretches which are going to be useful in strengthening the muscles of the core, which are also your powerhouse muscles. Exercises such as modified planks, bridges, bird dogs are excellent for building core strength. For example, you can start with a modified plank where your body is in a straight line from head to your heels while supporting yourself on your forearms and toes. Hold this position initially for 5 to 10 seconds, and once your strength improves, you can increase the timing. Regularly incorporating core exercises into your routine can support your lower back pain and reduce back pain. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Tanu Wellness, and share with your family and friends. Also, ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching and take care.